How to create a Gmail account for someone else.
Need to create a Gmail account for someone else? Whether you're helping a family member, team member, or client, we've got you covered with this quick and easy guide. Step 1. Sign out of all Google accounts. To kick things off, open your browser and sign out of any existing Gmail or Google accounts. This step helps avoid any account conflicts later on. Step 2. Go to the Gmail sign-up page. Next, head over to accounts.google.com/signup to start creating that new account. Step 3. Fill out their information. Now, enter the first and last name of the person you're creating the account for. Create a unique username. This will be their new Gmail address, and choose a strong password to keep their account secure.
Step 4. Enter recovery info, optional but recommended.
It's smart to add a phone number and recovery email. This way, they can easily reset their password if they ever need to. Tip: use their personal phone or email unless they've asked you to manage the account. Step 5. Enter their birthday and gender. This helps Google tailor features and security options just right for them. Step 6. Agree to Google's terms. Take a moment to review and accept the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy to wrap up the setup. Step 7. Share the login details. Once the account is created, make sure to securely send them their email address, password, and recovery info. And remind them to change the password after logging in, especially if you set it up for them. Creating a Gmail account for someone else is a breeze. Just remember to respect their privacy and help them secure their login credentials. Help someone today by creating their Gmail account.